Good morning, all. Myself, Utkarsh Ramesh Sontake, student of TENTC. Today, we are going to do brief study on IoT applications. So, let's get started. So, today's our presentation topic is brief study on IoT applications. So, today's our outlines are what is IoT, how IoT works, then study related IoT applications, then classifications of IoT, and conclusions. So, what is IoT? IoT is a network of physical object or thing embedded with electronic software, sensor, and network connectivity, which enable object to collect and exchange data. IoT allows object to be sensed and controlled remotely across existing network infrastructures, creating opportunities for more direct integration between physical world and computer-based system, and resulting in improving efficiency, accuracy, and economic benefits. IoT brings many benefits to the human life through an environment where smart services are provided to use any activity anytime, anywhere. Now let's see how IoT works. IoT is an ecosystem consists of web-enabled smart devices that use embedded system such as processor, sensor, and communication hardware. IoT device shares sensor data and collected by connecting to an IoT gateway or the edge device where data is sent to the cloud to analyze. These devices communicate with other related devices and act on the information they get from one another. The device do most of the work with no human involvement. But if user is needed or simply want to check in on the system, then a user interface is allowed to do so. Any adjustment or a action that user makes are then sent in opposite direction through the system, that is from user interface to the cloud and then back to the sensor or a device to make some kinds of changes. Now uh, study now let's see study related IoT applications which we have done in our research paper. So the study of IoT application done by SLR process, that is systematic literature review. Uh, so what is systematic literature review? It is a simply literature review that collect and critically analyze multiple research study through systematic process. In this research paper, Bello and Zilla has discussed existing networking standard for IoT environment, how to meet the QoS, that is quality of service needs for object to enable as smarter IoT ecosystem. QoS. QoS requirements such as availability of particular material or object, its reliability, scalability, and security etc. to provide fast IoT service. So, now survey we have done survey on IoT application in environmental and industrial agriculture. This paper considers four main areas including forecasting, monitoring, control, and logistics. It has addresses two important topics. First, it concerns basic technical efforts in IoT-based application for agriculture and environmental issue. Second, concerned where was about infrastructure and technologies used in a solution. It also has seen that the article morely focusing on monitoring, that is 62%, and 25% on control and 7% on logistics. There, there was also an open issue addressed in the review on robust standardization, power consumption, security, hardware components, and cost savings. The main drawback of this study is that it does not provide analysis on uh, evaluation parameters such as availability, energy consumption, cost, response time in this area. This so what is now let's see taxonomy of IoT applications. So in this section presents technical review of IoT applications followed by applied SLR process, that is systematic literature review. It provides a comprehensive classification on IoT applications, including healthcare, environment, smart cities, commercial, industrial, and general aspects. Each IoT application raises some issue that need to be focused on to find an effective solution that make IoT application more efficient and applicable in a real world environment. For example, smart city application includes a key semantic aware mobile cloud sensing, vehicle surveillance, local detection, and QoS awareness service. In this case, security and privacy, IoT has no unified architecture and has less protection, due to which different types of attacks such as unauthorized access to tag, deny of service, and malicious code injection are threatening different part of IoT architecture. IoT object IoT object are simply IoT object are simple but cannot be applied to some security measures, so they are vulnerable to attacks because IoT security can cause serious disaster in critical applications such as medical and financial applications. Therefore, in stage of development, IoT applications are facing major challenges. Now let's see. This is a flowchart of classifications of IoT applications. Now let's see applications. Applications of IoTs can be building and home automation, environmental monitoring, that is waste management in smart cities, infrastructure management, energy management, transportation management, that is we can buy smart parking, etc. Yes. So we are at the last part of our slide. So in this review, SLR based method was present in IoT applications. During this, we got to know a comprehensive understanding of IoT application and their open issue. So in this paper, smart city approach has the highest percent of application approach at 29% of literature, and of course 20% for healthcare applications, 14% for commercial application, and 12% for environmental applications. The most common was QoS awareness approach was used. So hereby we'll conclude that a comprehensive study of IoT application approach using we have done using various research papers. Thank you.